In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications for codespaces on your GitHub dashboard. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. First, navigate to your GitHub dashboard. When you're on the home page, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small icon, which is your profile icon. This is your access point to various personal settings. By clicking it, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you should select Settings. This will open up a new page dedicated to your personal customization options within GitHub. Once you're on the Settings page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. This sidebar lists all the different settings categories available to you. You'll want to make sure you're in the Codespaces section. If you find you're not currently there, go ahead and click on Codespaces to access it. This area is where all the specific settings related to your codespaces environment can be adjusted and fine-tuned according to your preferences. Now that you're in the Codespaces settings section, your next task is to locate the Notifications option. Look closely at the settings available and find where Notifications is listed. Adjacent to this, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Enable. By clicking this checkbox, you are activating warning notifications both for codespace deletions. It's a simple step, but a crucial one. Enabling these notifications will ensure you receive alerts about any potential deletions of your codespaces, giving you valuable time to address the situation before any work is lost. The importance of this functionality cannot be overstated. With these notifications turned on, you are safeguarding your coding environment against unexpected changes. This peace of mind is one less thing to worry about as you focus on your projects. Following along with these steps not only enhances your GitHub user experience, but it also adds a layer of security to your development work. Notifications will keep you informed and aware, making it easier to manage your workspace effectively. As we wrap up, make sure that the checkbox is indeed checked before exiting the page. With this setting enabled, you can feel confident that you'll be promptly informed if any deletions are about to occur, allowing you to act swiftly. Thank you for tuning into today's video. By following these instructions, you've now successfully set up notifications for your codespaces and are well on your way to maintaining a more secure and efficient coding environment on GitHub. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.